the process will start, and after here you will see 100%. If it's 100%, then the process is done and you have to click on close. So it will be it will say ready here. So I'm gonna show you how will it look after the process has been done. So in here you can see it will look like this, and you will see this icon in your drive, in your USB drive, and you will find these options inside. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.